Welcome back to Finance Mentor Pro. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of financial instruments, specifically discussing what a derivative is and how it works. So picture this. You have a bunch of apples and your friend has an orange tree. Your friend offers to pay you $1 for each apple you give them. In return, they'll give you as many oranges as you can hold. This simple exchange is essentially a derivative in action. Derivatives are financial instruments that allow investors to trade based on the changes in the price of an underlying asset or event. The price of the derivative is determined by factors such as supply and demand, market expectations, and risk perceptions. In this analogy, these factors would influence the exchange rate between apples and oranges. Remember, derivatives are not the actual assets themselves, but rather contracts that derive their value from something else. So next time you're munching on an apple or sipping on some orange juice, remember that you're already familiar with derivatives. Thanks for tuning in today, folks. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more finance related content. Until next time, stay financially fit.